Hello everybody, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time it is for you. Today I'm giving you guys a quick little update in terms of what I'm working on for the Clonewars update. And so let's just jump right into it. First things first, weapon changes. I'm going through and doing a lot of weapon changes in terms of recoil, weapon damage, fire rates, anything that has been requested by your division leader and or head admins, etc., other staff members. I'll also be doing a lot of changes to lightsabers, specifically some hilts that people have requested. I have nothing to show in terms of this video. This is more of just a PSA, letting people know where I am and what I'm doing. I've gotten a lot done today, specifically, which is for 4/1/2018, and I think I'm going to stop working. It's pretty late now. It's at 12 a.m., so I'll continue work on this tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. So that being said, I'm working on weapon changes right now, getting this stuff set up and ready. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in and do a lot of color palette changes so that the colors that are used in all these jobs match up for the category. And then also I'll use a color palette so that it looks much nicer in the tab menu, when we have all of our players. Also, as through one of the trailers that we announced, I spoke with a few people over at Synergy and got some baseline ideas for the upcoming event server that I have plans to release, hopefully with this update. Again, I don't do ETAs, so we'll see. But I think one of the ideas that we talked about is instead of incorporating every single battalion on both sides from Icefuse and Synergy, the one thing that would be a good idea and something that I've yet to confirm whether Joa is wanting to do this is essentially have two battalions, each with their own defining features in terms of heavy troopers and your default troopers, etc., jet troopers, all that stuff, except just have two battalions instead of having like 501st and all these different battalions like Shadow Company, etc. And cluttering the F4 menu, making it very difficult also for whitelisting and for ease of use. So spoke with him. I didn't speak with Joa today, but I spoke with some of his members over at Synergy, and came to a conclusion on that being one of the ideas. Again, nothing is set in stone for this. This is work in progress, and as I progress on our development for the next update here, that is also something that I'm working on along with this update. So this is, like I said, PSA. I do believe that is everything that I have for today. Like I said, I want to keep you guys posted as much as possible. I will be, working on the vehicles, like I mentioned in the last video. So aside from that, I believe that is all I have to share with you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to our next video. Take care.